The weekend cover episode of Bigg Boss 15 will see Bollywood actors John Abraham and Divya Khosla Kumar coming to the house to promote their movie Satyamev Jayate 2. They will be joined by the cast of Antim The Final Truth, including director Mahesh Manjrekar and actors Ayush Sharma and Mahima Makwana. All the celebs were spotted on the Bigg Boss set on Friday. They all looked best in their respective outfits. When Satyamev Jayate lead actress Divya Khosla Kumar was asked about the film, she said,
बहुत मज़ा किया एंड सलमान इज़ ऑलवेज सलमान इतनी अच्छी मैं पहले भी बिग बॉस में 4 दफ़ा आ चुकी हूँ और ये मेरा 5वां टाइम है और हमेशा सलमान इतनी अच्छी तरह प्रमोट करते हैं। इस बार सलमान ने हमारी पिक्चर सत्यमेव जयते 2 प्रमोट की, सो इट वाज सो नाइस एंड हम्बल ऑफ हिम बिकॉज अंतिम भी साथ में रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो इट्स रियली नाइस एंड काइंड ऑफ हिम कि उन्होंने सत्यमेव जयते 2 को भी प्रमोट किया बिग बॉस में। थैंक यू सलमान।
Satyamev Jayate 2, directed by Milap Zaveri, is a sequel to the 2018 vigilante action film Satyamev Jayate and stars John Abraham in his fight against systematic corruption. The film is all set to release on November 25, while Antim The Final Truth will be released in theatres worldwide by Zee Studios on November 26. Comedian Bharti Singh and Harsh Limbachia will also be there to have some fun at the expense of the contestants. The upcoming episode will also see Karan Kundra, feeling betrayed as Tejasvi Prakash and Vishal Kotin appear to be coming closer to each other. Karan is seen getting jealous and upset as well. And when he discusses his predicament with Umar Riaz, Karan is told that Tejasvi is just playing a game. Umar advises him to talk to Tejasvi and resolve the matter. Well, not just this. Shamita Shetty, who left the reality show Bigg Boss on medical grounds, has re-entered the house, according to sources, and will be seen on Weekend Kavar with Rashmi Desai, Devalina Bhattacharjee and Abhijit Bhichkule, all of whom are wildcard entries. The channel, though, has not confirmed this news. Shamita left immediately after Rakesh Bapat's exit. It was rumored initially that Rakesh could also re-enter the house, but it was confirmed later that he wasn't. Bapat, in fact, took to social media to share updates on the state of his health and how he felt helpless, even though he was willing to continue in the show for a longer time. He thanked his fans for always supporting him. His chemistry with Shamita, whether on Bigg Boss OTT or on Bigg Boss 15, had caught the attention of their fans. The exit of both together therefore came as a shock. Now, as Shamita is returning, there could be more twists in the game inside the house, much to delight of the fans of the show. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.